This is Colorful One, and I'm going to show you how all of these go from being in here to here. If you want to see how I came up with this project, stay tuned. I'm going to describe to you how I made these two lipstick display holders. All I did was take two big canvases, 8 by 10, and paint them. And all I did was glue some clear Dollar Tree containers, which I used some Gorilla Glue to make sure they hold really good. And all I did was glue some lipstick containers and some regular clear containers on the canvases. And I'm going to put them up on the wall and show you how I display my lipsticks on these. Now what I'm going to do is place these command picture strips on the back of the canvas. I'm going to turn it around like this. And just place them on the back of the canvas, on the top, in the middle, and at the bottom. And I'm going to show you how they look on the wall. Okay, I placed the command strips on the back of the canvas, on the sides, in the middle, for the best hold. Stay tuned, I'll show you how it looks on the wall. Okay, this is how it looks on the wall. It looks like a painting. It looks cool. So I'm going to place all my lipsticks in the trays and show you the results. Stay tuned. This is the finished product. As you can see, I have all my lip glosses, all my lipsticks, lip balms. Everything is in order and in place where I can see it. Even I made a little slot for lip liners. So this is the final result. My lipstick holder display case where I can see everything and just come in and just get whatever color I need to get. And that's it. Please comment, subscribe, and like, and stay tuned for more.